Hi everyone and welcome to this video. This is just a really simple video because I made this gorgeous journal and I had so much fun doing it. It's fantastic. But I also want to just really focus on some of the stickers that we released to match this kit. You don't have to have the kit to get the stickers and vice versa. Just wanted to show them to you guys. So we can move this and let's talk. So we have these writing space stickers. Some brown fussy cut stickers. These are adorable. These ones are amazing to use in the journal. I ended up using these probably the most in this journal because it's just so nice to have little pieces cut out and ready to go. This is kind of a creative writing space sticker set. These are the fussy cuts that were included in this digital kit, but we also have them here. And they are adorable. I love them. We have these ones, and these are real vintage images turned into stickers, so they're really fun and unique. This is my second most used sticker sheet from this set, and it's just the faux washi tapes. Let me see if I can actually find a page where I use that, because it's kind of hard to spot it because they are so seamless. Oh, okay. This little strip here in the back is washi tape from this set. So that was awesome. There's these gorgeous tags, some more stamp style brown fussy cuts. And then just because it's February, we did include some cutesy Valentine's stickers. Okay, so that is it. If you guys are interested in that, I will have it linked in the description of this video for you guys. Get ready for a month of really fun crafting and it's going to be awesome. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and we will see you next time. Goodbye.